I heard somewhere that if you want to win in business, you must figure out a consistent and reliable way to generate leads, and this is how my lead generation journey started. Currently, I use 3 main ways to generate leads for my business, but there is one lead generation method that gets me more leads faster than anything else. In this video, I'll cover every lead generation method I've tried in the last years and how it worked for my business. The information in this video will be relevant to people selling online courses, services, coaching programs, high-ticket programs, or anybody looking to close big deals. There are many methods to grow your business out there. In this video, I'll cover the 3 main methods I've personally tried to generate leads for my business. I'll talk about cold email, inbound marketing or content marketing, and running ads on Facebook and Google. I'll start with cold email. Right now, cold email is very trendy. The first cold email campaign I sent was around 3 years ago. Back then, I sold YouTube ads and Facebook ads management services to YouTubers. For my service to work, I needed to work with YouTubers with at least 250k subscribers, and also those YouTubers needed to have an online course. My target market was kind of small, and a cold email campaign made perfect sense. I went on YouTube and made a list of 250 YouTubers who matched my criteria. I took their name and email from their website or YouTube channel, and I started sending around 10 cold emails per day. I would send the cold emails manually. Every morning, that was the first thing I did. As far as I remember, I managed to book 4 calls and 1 person agreed to work with me. The issue I had was that my market was somehow very small. I received a very high open rate, but getting people on calls was somehow challenging. The manual work took a lot of time. I decided to find a way to automate the process, and a few years after my initial experiment, I went on Upwork and hired a virtual assistant who helped me create a document of 800 leads. I think I spent around 25 cents per lead, so for the whole list, I spent around $200. This time, instead of sending the emails manually, I decided to use a cold email automation software. After deep research, the best tool I could find was Instantly.com. At this time, I started watching Alex Berman's YouTube channel, which I believe is one of the best cold email channels on YouTube. Somehow I managed to put an automated cold campaign together. The process was somehow easy and straightforward. Probably it took me maybe less than 3 or 4 hours to build the campaign. I would upload my cold email list in Instantly, and the software would send personalized emails and follow up on autopilot, and this is pretty cool. Out of this activity, I managed to book around 8 calls and closed 1 deal, but here I would like to make a disclaimer that I'm not a very good salesperson. That's why I talk about marketing here. Cold email would work, but I needed a much bigger niche to make it work. After talking to many people who do cold email, the people who are most successful with cold emails send many cold emails. I heard people sending around 5,000 cold emails per month. So in my experience, you have 2 ways to make cold emails work for your business. You need to send volume. The more emails you send, the higher the chance of closing a deal. The other option to make cold email work will be to choose a super personalized approach if your niche is smaller. You'll need to nurture the leads longer and be very strategic about what you say in your cold email. This is just my experience with cold email. After sending around 1,000 cold emails, I got 2 sales, which is not bad. If I expand to different niches, it would work for me even better. Honestly, I don't know why I stopped doing it. The cold email could be free, but the price might go up if you start buying lists and cold email tools. Let's say you choose to use Instantly. The monthly subscription starts at $97 for 25k contacts, which will be more than enough if you're just starting out. Still, if you buy leads and hire people to do the lead sourcing and set up different email domains, the price could easily go up. The next lead generation method I'll talk about is content marketing or inbound marketing. So different people give it different name. It could be even social media marketing. So the way it looks, I publish videos like this on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And I've been doing my YouTube channel for almost 2 years now, but my channel doesn't deliver many leads. Topics I talk about are quite niche, as you can see, and I know that, but I know it also takes years to grow a successful YouTube channel. So far, I had some decent leads, nothing too crazy. I still get some requests from my YouTube channel from people asking me to set up Facebook ads or YouTube ads. So I believe if I manage to grow my YouTube channel and my social media presence, that would greatly benefit my brand. Content marketing works for people with an audience. It's very rare to publish a few videos or write a few articles and get plenty of clients. That won't happen. It takes time and consistency. That's why I decided to try the next thing, and this brings me to the third method I use to generate leads, and that is the fastest, but speed comes with a price, and this is running Facebook ads and YouTube ads. Right now, this is what works best for me, and I don't say it because I run an agency. I say it because I've tested also other different lead generation methods, and this one is the fastest and the most reliable, the most effective so far. With cold emails, I booked around 12 calls for 6 months. With paid advertising, I managed to book more than 30 calls in less than 30 days. And if my results remain consistent, I'll crush it. But it cost me around 2K per month to generate those leads because I run Facebook or YouTube ads, and those are pay-to-play platforms. But if you want to scale, ads will be the best way, unless you have a huge following online or you're sending, 10,000 cold emails per month. If you want me to help you set up ads on Facebook or YouTube, please make sure you check the links in the description below, or feel free to reach out. Those are the 3 ways I use to generate leads for my business. What's the best lead generation method that works best for you right now? Let me know in the comments below. My name is Nico. Thank you for watching. In this channel, I talk about business, wealth, and marketing. Make sure you subscribe, and yeah, I'll talk to you soon.